Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands and welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to be making my delicious keto beef bulgogi. It's thinly sliced steak in this delicious marinade. It's super easy. You can find the full recipe down in the description below, and let's get started. So for our marinade, I want to go ahead and get this going. So before I cut the steak, and we've got some sesame oil here, and we've got some, let's see, let me get a little spatula. We've got some minced garlic. You can mince your own garlic, or you can use the already minced garlic in the grocery store. That's what I use. And then we've got some soy sauce. And here's some ginger paste. And again, you can buy ginger, a ginger root, or you can buy the already minced or the already made into a paste. Ginger paste, it's in the produce section of the grocery store. They usually have like a wall of with the little packages of herbs and the little paste packages. It's usually like by where the prepared bags of salad are. And then we've got some 1-for-1 replacement for sugar sweetener, which is really not important for this recipe. It's usually important for like baking. But this, you could use Swerve if you wanted to. This is Lakanto. But I use the brown sugar version. And if you don't have that, that's fine. You can use just regular granulated. Let me use a little whisk. Get this good and mixed up. This recipe is, you have to marinate it for a couple of hours. That's really the only downfall to the recipe, but it's so good. Okay, it's all mixed up. I'm going to set that aside. Okay, let's go ahead and slice up our steak. I've got a sirloin steak here that we have frozen for a little bit, and that makes it easier to cut. I've got a sharp knife, so we are just going to thinly slice this as thinly as you can. And as you see that cutting it while it's frozen makes it a lot easier. So we're going to cut this all into thin slices. Okay, we've got our steak all sliced up into thin slices, so we're going to place it in the marinade. Okay, now we're just going to toss it in the marinade. So we're going to marinate this for about 2 hours. And you might want to toss it about after an hour. Just make sure it stays coated in the marinade. Just cover it in plastic wrap and stick it in the refrigerator. And then we'll be ready to cook it. Okay, we are ready to cook our bulgogi. So now I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the skillet. And we're going to let the skillet get hot on medium-high heat. You're going to want to cook this in batches so it has as much. You don't want to crowd the pan because then it will just steam your meat and you want to get it brown. And you really just want to cook this for a couple of minutes on each side. It's already starting to get brown. I'm going to flip it to the other side. Okay, I'm going to remove this batch from the pan, and I'm going to continue cooking the rest of it in the skillet. Our last batch is all ready. This took a total of probably less than 8 minutes. This was super quick. And now we have this big bowl of delicious beef bulgogi. Okay, our last step is just to garnish with a little bit of sesame seeds. And look at that. That looks amazing. You can find the full recipe down in the description below, and the clickable link to my blog post is down there too. So if you want to print the recipe, you can. And don't forget to comment down below. Let me know how much you love this recipe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.